you guys can find this camper anywhere. What?
Did you say friend?
I did. Hey y'all, it's Emma here at Cookeville RV Marine, and today we're gonna take a look at the 2026 Grand Design Imagine 2700 BS. And y'all, we know that you guys can find this camper anywhere in America, but what you can't find is another Cookeville RV and Marine. We are family owned and operated, so we're gonna treat you like family every step of the way, guys, and you can even check out our Google reviews and see what everybody's saying about us. We have over 4.7 stars and over 1,000 reviews. Before we get started, be sure that you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell notification so that you're notified every time we post a video like this one. Let's get into it. On the entertainment side of our camper, we do have a massive full-size awning, and we even have an LED light strip underneath that. We also have outlets here if you want to pop up a table and watch the big game on your TV, or just have outlets to plug anything into. Let's get into our storage. Underneath our camper, we have this massive unobstructed pass-through storage. You're going to be able to fit anything you need in here, guys. And you can also throw in your muddy hoses in here, anything like that, because we do have a really nice floor in here that's super easy to wipe up if you've got mud in here or just anything like that. And it even has some grip to it, so if you've got tables and chairs in here, they're not going to slide around, so that's super great. We even have our switches for our lights right here, so if you're working in here at night, you're going to be able to see everything, so that's great. We even have an outlet over here as well, so if you need to plug anything in when you're at the campground, it's perfect for that. But on the opposite side of me, we do have our convenience bay, so as soon as you pull up to the campground, all of your things to hook up are going to be over there, and we even have our solar area over there as well. This camper is also Starlinked prepped, which means that anywhere you go, you can have Wi-Fi, so that's really nice. But let's get into more of our storage. On the off-door side of our camper, in one of our slides, we have even more storage area with that nice grippy floor. We even have a light over here, so if you're working in here at night or throwing anything in, you can see everything out here as well. Let's check out the inside of our camper. As soon as you walk into your camper, the first thing that we're going to point out is that we do have a thin shade, which is super nice. Meaning you can just pull up your shade and you can block out anything. People can't see in, you can't see out, so lots of privacy. Or if you do want to see out, you can pull it down like we have it here and you can see your campground and everything like that. Right behind me, we do have our indoor speaker system right here, so this is where you're going to be able to control everything from. We have our control panel here, which controls all of your light switches, your awnings, your slides, everything like that with the touch of a button. And under that, we do have our air conditioning control. Let's check out our TV area. Right next to our door, we have our beautiful TV area, and if you'll notice, we do have it on a televator, which means that this can hide super nicely and you can use it kind of just as more area to lay stuff on, whatever you want to do. And that button right here is to control that televator. So it's super easy and everything's electronic. You're not pushing anything down, so don't worry. There are also windows all behind our TV, which is super nice because you can open them up and you can get all that natural lighting in, and you can see all the campground views from your whole entire camper because we have such massive windows, so that's super nice. If you don't want to use this as your TV area, this also converts into a dinette area. It even comes with these really nice collapsible chairs that you can store underneath your bed, which we will show you later. But you can use this as your dinette area where you can sit and eat. You can even lift up your TV if you want to watch a show. Or if not, you've got a beautiful window right in front of you for all your campground views. And you can even use this as your work from home area if you want to and you need a desk. We do have outlets right here so you can plug in any of your devices that you need. Now let's get into our living area. In our slide, we have our beautiful and massive theater seats. These not only are super comfy, but we even have area right here for our drinks. We even have a cool charging port for your USBs and USB-Cs for your phone, laptop, anything you need to plug into there. We also have a USB port over here on the wall as well. So if you have more than one person trying to plug up your phone, don't worry, you're gonna have room. We even have a cubby beside of that, so if you want to put any of your books or anything like that in there, you're going to be able to. And I'll also mention that in our slide, we have a ton of windows surrounding us, so like I said before, we're getting all that natural lighting and you're going to be able to see the whole entire campground from your camper, especially in the living room. Let's get into our kitchen. Right underneath our massive window is our kitchen sink, so that's super nice if you're having to do all those dishes. You can just look out and catch all the campground views and pretend like you're not having to do the dishes. We even have a retractable nozzle here and a built-in soap dispenser, so that's super nice for things not sliding around in your camper. It comes with this really nice drying rack, and we also have a massive farmhouse sink as well. Your upper cabinets here have tons of space, so you can fit all of those things that you need, like your cups, plates, mugs. We even have a microwave here and even more cabinet space on this side, so that's super nice. Over here on the wall, we do have a special place to hang your towel or even your oven mitt. Anything that you usually throw in a drawer, you can hang on that wall space there, so you have another drawer that's open and you don't have to fill it with towels. We also have an outlet over here and solid surface countertops, so these are really nice and sturdy for cooking up all your veggies or anything that you need to do on there. We even have a 3-burner stove here, so that's great if you're cooking all the things at once. You're going to have plenty of room, and not to mention our other massive window right behind all of this, guys. On the other side of me, we do also have a built-in paper towel rack, so that's super nice for things not to move around in, and we even have an outlet right here. Right next to our sink, we have even more space. If you don't want to have your TV up, you can put it down on the televator, and you have even more room to serve or even set it up like a buffet. So that's super nice if you just want to set up all the breakfast and your kiddos can come in and grab whatever they want. You've got plenty of space in here to do that. Underneath our sink, we do have a special area that's plastic lined for our sponges, so that's great if you can just throw those in there and you can wipe it up with a paper towel. It's not going to destroy your camper, so that's nice. Underneath your sink, we have even more storage, and this trash can is nestled into this area right here, so it's not going to move around at all. And there's plenty of room for all of your cleaning supplies over here as well. Speaking of storage space, this is what makes this camper so special. Check out how massive these drawers are, guys. This can be used as your pantry space if you want to do that, or if you don't have a lot of snacks or things that you typically keep in a pantry. You can also use this as your pots and pans drawers. So there's plenty of room here, and I love a good massive cabinet, so these are great. We have our oven, so it's a good size oven, so that's nice, and even more storage underneath that. This does have the peg system in here, so if you want to set them up, it'll keep your pots and pans from sliding around, or you can even set it up to hold all of the lids, so they're side by side. Even more storage is over here, so you're getting more of these little drawers for any of your utensils or just whatever you want to put in there. Let's check out our fridge. Right next to our cooking space, we do have our fridge and freezer. This is plenty of room to keep all of the things that you need, all of your snacks, chicken, whatever you typically put in a fridge, it's all gonna fit in here. Let's check out our bathroom. Right off of our living room, we have this beautiful bathroom that has plenty of storage for all of your towels, wash rags, and even toilet paper, guys. We've got lots of cabinets in here. And we also have a medicine cabinet right above the sink that's perfect for all your little toiletries or anything that you need to throw in there. And we have some nice counter space to do our makeup on or even put our hair tools, and we can plug those up right next to the sink with our outlet as well. Underneath the sink, we have even more storage space that's perfect for a small trash can or even your cleaning supplies. Above our toilet, we do have a nice towel rack, so you can hang your wet towel and it can have room to dry, or even your robe if you want. Underneath that, we do have our porcelain foot flush toilet, but let's get into our shower. In our front bedroom, we have this massive king-size bed, which is awesome for this camper. We even have outlets on both sides of the bed, and if you're looking for a place to lay your phone down or anything like that, we have a shelf area right here that's right above that outlet as well. We also have storage underneath this bed, which is super nice, and that's also where we keep our kitchen chairs at, where they fold away really nicely. Let's get into our closet. The best thing about our closets in this room is that there are actually 3 of them. So you've got plenty of space for all of your clothes. We've got a hanging rack in here and even place to slide your shoes or even games or anything you want to put in here. There's lots of room, and we even have an outlet in here as well. Let's get into the next one. This closet is actually the exact same as the first one, so this is perfect for his or her closets. And this last closet is the exact same, except it is washer and dryer prep. So if you just need those 2 closets for your things, you can have our awesome service team install a washer and dryer in this so that you can have one on the go. But if 3 closets isn't enough for all of your clothes and shoes, don't worry, because we have this area right here for all of our drawers. This is perfect for your socks, anything you need to put in here. It's just a basic dresser, but with lots and lots of room. We even have some nice lighting here. If you want to open up this window, it's a massive window, so you can get all kinds of natural lighting in your room. Over here beside of our dresser, we do even have a couple of hooks here that's perfect for your jackets or even your purse or backpack if you want to put that in here. So if you're interested in this Imagine or any other Imagine from the Grand Design line, be sure that you give us a call, shoot us a text, or visit us online at cookevilleRV.com where your adventure awaits.